Let's talk about annual license renewals. Keeping your license active ensures ongoing access to updates, technical support, and expanded diagnostic capabilities, all included with your yearly license. A common question we receive is whether renewal is necessary. While it's not mandatory, keeping your Jaltest software up to date is essential to retain access to key benefits. Quarterly software updates, which introduce the latest diagnostic coverage and repair information. Ongoing technical support, connecting you to Jaltest experts for any software or repair questions you may encounter. And the option to hire central services, our latest service that grants access to ECU updates, recalibrations, and other dealer-exclusive actions. Access to regular training resources, ensuring your team can fully utilize Jaltest's evolving capabilities. Your yearly license renewal brings you 3 major software updates, which introduce new coverage, enhanced repair procedures, and the latest diagnostic functionalities. The renewal process is simple. Contact your Jaltest distributor with your device's serial number, and they'll handle the renewal. Once it's processed, the updates will automatically activate the next time you log in with an internet connection. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the Jaltest support team for assistance at 1-800-975-1865 or send an email to customersupport@jaltest.com. We are here to help.